Friends, this is Goa. Can you make out any difference between Kerala, Goa and Karnataka? We are passing through this highway. It's a beautiful bridge on the river and the sea is very close to that. Let me show you. Nice omelette. Arey wah. See, this is Vande Bharat coming. This guy is giving a green signal. This guy is giving a green flag signal. That's the old Goa church. Beautiful two churches. You will see a lot of bridges and tunnels. Now this is a bridge. This is the Ghat section. That is a hilly area with streams and forest. So deep forest. See the greenery and all. So this is the Ghat section. Friends, again you can see we are turning to a loop line because there must be a train coming ahead of us. That's the problem of Konkan Railway. I know we should have built both the lines, but there is only single line. So whenever there is another train coming ahead, you have to divert to the loop line. Here we are diverting our train to the loop line. Oh, it's a good train. And this station is very interesting because here you see monkeys. See here, there's another guy here. And not only monkey, there is, in the rainy season, this becomes a waterfall. And that's our train, and you can see a little bit of waterfall. During the rainy season, it becomes a big fall. You have to be here during the monsoon to see the waterfall. This is a diesel locomotive. Of the tunnel and the train, the loop line. Of the clouds. It's so different. So friends, we reached Mumbai. I couldn't take much videos later on because it was completely dark, and we have reached Mumbai and we are on our way to our house. So friends, this is Goa. Can you make out any difference between Kerala, Goa and Karnataka? No much difference, but Goa is little dry. So here they do the maintenance. You see a lot of locomotives here. These are all diesel ones. They are not electric, diesel ones. You can see a church over there. Let me zoom and show you. Goa is famous for churches. We are passing through this highway. See this bridge. It's a beautiful bridge on the river, and the sea is very close to that. nice you feel to sit here in the window. Had a nice paratha and the train has come to Karmali. This is Karmali. This guy is running to sell water bottles. So this is Karmali and there is a shop here. So what all he is selling? He is selling tea, chips, banana chips, Kerala special, Nescafe, water. Selling so many things, Jeera water, and chai, dosa, omelette. So a lot of things he is selling here. This is a small shop, Sundara Tea Stall, the name of the shop. And we are again on the loop line. So many times it's stopping the loop line. The reason is there is only a single track. So yes, cut onions. Making omelette on this nice omelette. Cut some onions. And you see here. Let me show you. Nice omelette. Arey wah. Mirchi nahi dala. Nice omelette, and here the train is here and this guy is making nice bread omelette. Let's put bread on that. It's a new recipe. And the train is here. Zara hone de baad mein mere ko soda de dena. I'm having soda. This is just for 10 rupees. It's a local soda. Sarkar soda. So I told him I should have had some lime and salt. His omelette is ready. Bread ready. It's very good. This is an OHE, overhead electrical inspection car. So overhead, OHE means overhead. If you don't know, and what happens, you can see there is a place there where he can check the overhead wires. So that pantograph will go up, and from that small glass he can see the pantograph, how it's working, how the wires are, whether it's proper, because high speed trains are moving here. Now we are waiting for Vande Bharat. So the Vande Bharat will be crossing. I don't know whether it's coming from here or it's going that way, but Vande Bharat is going to come. Friends, could you hear the sound of the train coming? See here, you can hear the sound, and this is Vande Bharat. The latest one. I didn't like it. The seats are not at all comfortable. See, this is Vande Bharat coming. This guy is giving a green signal. This guy is giving a green flag signal. He has to go on keeping his hand out. That's over. He has gone. And the train has left. Vande Bharat has gone. So it's going still far. So now our train will move from here. See, that's the church, Mila. Old Goa church. That's the old Goa church. Beautiful two churches. We are traveling on the river. This river is called Mandvi River. From here you can see beautiful churches. That's the church has fallen, that one. I think I am able to zoom it and show you. Good evening, friends. I had a good sleep. I'm so tired for last 5 days, 6 days. I'm just running, catching train, catching flights, traveling by bus. So sleepy as it's nearing Mumbai. I slept off and I just got up. Now it's getting 5 in my watch. If you see, it's getting 5. And we have reached Maharashtra. Now this is Maharashtra. So you will see a lot of bridges and tunnels. Now this is a bridge. This This is a Ghat section, that is a hilly area with streams and forest. So deep forest. See the greenery and all. So this is a Ghat section. We'll see the name of the stream or the river here. This is how now it looks. Beautiful blue sky up. And let us see what's the name of this. So it's a viaduct, Bansawali viaduct. So our train is moving through the hilly area. There are a lot of, you will see a lot of tunnels and bridges which they have built, cutting these rocks here. See the rocks here, they cut it, and during the rainy season it becomes, sometimes there's a landslide. So our train is moving. Friends, again you can see we are turning to a loop line because there must be a train coming ahead of us. That's the problem of Konkan Railway. I know we should have built both the lines, but there is only single line. So whenever there is another train coming ahead, you have to divert to the loop line. Here we are diverting our train to the loop line. So how many coaches are there? Just behind me, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 coaches behind me. And here there are maybe at least 18 coaches ahead of me. Oh, Bokeh. Bokeh is one of the very beautiful station because from here you can see the tunnel ahead of you. The station and then the tunnel ahead of you. The name of the station is called Bokeh. You can hear the sound of the bird chirping. I can't see the birds, but I can hear the sound. And now this red signal will become, there's a doggy on the track. Oh my dear, you get off the track, man. The red signal will become green now. Beautiful birds. I can hear the sound. So we can see the train coming through the tunnel. There's a tunnel ahead. Can you see the train coming out of the tunnel? Yeah, see here. There's a train coming out of the tunnel. Zooming it out. And I can hear some beautiful chirping of the birds. They flew off. See that? Oh, it's a good train. It's a good train. Yeah, now we are starting. Now we'll be leaving this place. Okay. I will try to show you the tunnel now from here as we leave the station. Yeah, so let's see, we started. Sad to see these things on the railway. Beautiful scenery, beautiful greenery, and people throwing bottles and all rubbish. So sad, but not much that's good here. I heard some beautiful sound of the chirping of the birds. See the birds over there, they're flying, see. There's one thing I forgot to tell you. This place, you know, Ratnagiri, Chiproon, Devgarh, Sindhudurg, they're famous for mangoes, the Alfonso mangoes. That's the most tastiest mango. And here the station master is giving, they have a different uniform than the other Indian Railway. Other Indian Railway station masters, they have the white uniform. Here they have a different uniform because this is Konkan Railway. Now we are going through the tunnel. this viaduct. The name of this viaduct is OK Viaduct. We are connected to the main line, and here is the tunnel. That was the longest tunnel. Now friends, this station is very interesting. Now again we have gone to the loop line, and this station is very interesting because here you see monkeys. See here, there's another guy here, and not only monkey, there is, in the rainy season this becomes a waterfall. There's a little water dripping over here, but it becomes a big waterfall during the rainy season. But there are a lot of monkeys here. See the monkey climbing. See this guy climbing and eating something. So they know when the train comes because of the noise that makes. And then there is a tunnel just ahead of you, and there will be a train coming through the tunnel. Beautiful view of the mountains here, and you can see there is a green signal which is given. Can you see that? So this station is called Ukshi, and a lot of monkeys here up. There's a tunnel. The half the train is in the tunnel, and there are no shops here. Otherwise I could have got a cup of tea here, but there are no shops here. People coming on a motorcycle here. It's a ticket counter, and that's our train, and you can see a little bit of waterfall. During the rainy season it becomes a big fall. You have to be here during the monsoon to see the waterfall. Let me show you from here. Let me enter and show you from here. So here, this becomes a big waterfall during the monsoon. Now there is a little bit of water, not much, and we are waiting for the train here. Can you see the station master having with the green and red flag? And here's this beautiful view. Train is coming now. Yeah, there comes, and the monkeys are on the track. Oh my dear. Oh, monkeys. This monkey is on the track. Oh, he is running now. Okay. This is a diesel locomotive. Lot of goods train going. See, the monkeys have come back, and this guy was showing. Now when they fold both the flags, that shows that you are ready to go, but it is slow speed. So when both the flags are folded, that means you are ready to go, but at a slow speed, and then you get a green flag. Beautiful waterfall, and our train has started. Oh, it stopped again. Nice view of this waterfall. And during the rainy season, friends, you have to see. And that was a diesel locomotive, new generation. See the monkeys here. Now we have got the signal. Can you see 2 yellow? That's and now he has made that into a green flag. So now we are ready to go. One more time is honking, and then we are ready to go now. So we started. See this guy saying we are ready to go. So nice. This station I used to love. Always this train will come and stop here. See the monkeys. Oh my dear, bye bye. there's another one. So we are going through the tunnel. Beautiful view of the tunnel and the train, the loop line. See the mountain up. On here. Tunnel now. Immediately after that tunnel, you see the last bogie, and immediately after that tunnel, there is another tunnel here. This time we are not on the loop line, this train is on the loop line. This train is on the loop line, we are not on the loop line. You can see the mountains, the villages, the farming. Beautiful view of this place from here. So most of them are growing paddy. Maybe some vegetables or something like that. Beautiful view of the mountains. There's a stream running. Can you see a stream running here? It's a small river like, and you're on the bridge. Doing some farming over there. The water, but see, I think someone is moving around, walking through that to get some water. Yeah, the man is walking through that to get some water. And this side also, if you see, there's a nice, beautiful view of the mountains. Beautiful view of the Kipling River and the sky. Local train. We'll be going to small places over here. It has a nice color. Orange, white, yellow. It's a very nice color. RCF. Rail Coach Factory. And see the cloud. Let me show you something. Let's see this. As if there is a tunnel in the middle of this clouds. And then here there's paddy fields. But it rained, I don't know. This farmers. So beautiful view of the clouds, and there you see the formation of the clouds. This looks so different. This is Chiplun station, and let me buy a cup of tea here. Friends, from this shop I bought 2 cups of tea, vada, bhaji, and this is called chakli. And the train is, now it's 6:14, and it rained here. If you see, it rained here. Got vada pav, bhaji, and then a cup of tea. So I'm enjoying a cup of tea. So friends, we reached Mumbai. I couldn't take much videos later on because it was completely dark. We have reached Mumbai and we are on our way to our house. Uber, क्या नाम आपका? Vijay Singh. So I had this Uber and we reached within 1.5 hours. Now it's 11:40. So we came by this car. At last we are in Mumbai. The time is 11:45. Thanks for watching and good night all of you. I'll go and sleep now. It's getting 12. I'll have my dinner and go and sleep. So thanks for watching. Good night everyone. I hope you all loved this small video. 5-day tour of Kerala. Thank you very much.